Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Spirit game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on Android devices. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your phone, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Spirit app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for JoJo's Bizarre Adventure GS app, and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. Now if possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile data network via hotspot, and then check JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Spirit app is working or not. Next solution is to force stop JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Spirit app. So tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to clear the JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Spirit app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, go to storage usage, click on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also tap on clear data. Now please take a note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then you have to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, tap on battery usage, and then check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, then tap on software update, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can go ahead install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Rapid VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Turbo VPN, Secure VPN, Brave VPN, VPN Windscribe, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Spirit app from your device. So simply tap and hold the JoJo's Bizarre Golden Spirit app icon, then tap on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm. Then just restart your device, and once your device restart, then open Play Store, tap on search for JoJo's Bizarre Adventure GS app, and then tap on it, and then tap on install button to reinstall it. And once the JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Spirit app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, relaunch it and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then last thing you must do is to check for the JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Spirit app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily solve JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Spirit game not launching or won't launch issue or launching fail problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.